Hello students, today we will discuss about the Google Talk, blogs and blog editors and online transaction. Dear student, you are well familiar with chatting. In chatting, you can chat with your friends or any persons whoever in your contacts. Similarly, in blogs, you can send your message online and also you can edit or you can prepare blogs offline with the help of blog editors. First of all, we will discuss about the Google Talk. In Google Talk, we can we can chat with your friends or any persons whoever in your contacts, and that person should be online. If that person in online, that will show green dots on their contacts, and you can simply click by clicking on the contacts. You can start sending text or chat or you can chat with your friends or any persons whoever in your contacts. Then how can you chat? We will see in this slides. When you click on the contacts, a pop-up window will be appear like this, and simply you can type your message here and can send here. You can type in text box and press enter. The other person will be see text message and respond according to your message. In Google Talk, whenever we use Google Talk, we should follow some etiquettes or rules. Etiquettes and rules are followings. First of all, your message should be short and to the point. Always introduce yourself whenever you want to chatting with anyone. Always ask two persons about the times suitable for to chatting him. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to say, it is not going to be well received if the recipient is busy. And in business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss. Without knowing anything, you should not start chatting in a business environment. You can type your message in lowercase lowercase letter. Never try to type your message in uppercase letters because it is extremely rude. It is considered shouting and very aggressive. So always your chatting should be in small letters. Never use all letters in uppercase. And next attitudes are give the people's time to respond. You should wait from persons whatever they want to respond. And last one is chance to answer can seem more like an interrogative rather than a conversation. These are attitudes always should we follow whenever you chat with any persons. Wherever possible, give person your communicating with your undivided attention. It's not just a sign of respect, but if you have multiple conversation happens or are allowing others issue to distract you, you may miss an important points in other person's message or lose the gist of the conversation. Gist of conversation. And last one is it is important to properly end an IM conversation. IM instant message conversation. You may think that you may think the chat is over, or the other person may not. So please wait. Don't don't end the conversation instantly. While you are off the doing other things, they may be sitting there starting at the screen waiting for further communication from you. So respond properly. If you have any doubts, you can ask. And now students have some activities. Activity 1, add more contacts to your contact list and chat with multiple contacts. And activity 2 is download, install and use Windows Live Messenger, Ready, CP Message, Messenger, create respective accounts to practice. Now, we will discuss about the creating and publishing web page with blogs. First of all, what is a blog? Blog is discussion style site used by non-technicals or technical users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. And third point is blog to convey message about the events, announcement, news and reviews, etc. Fourth point, managed using a web browsers and require active internet connections. Use offline blog software to create contents first and later publish the contents. It means you can create your blogs online and offline as well. For online for creating online blogs, you are required active internet connection. But if you want to create offline blogs, you should first of all download the blog software or blog editors. Some popular blogs includes WordPress.com, bloggers.com, blog.com, bibly.com, blogsome.com, etc. How to create a blogs account in WordPress. In this in this video, we will see how to create a blogs account. Before you start using a blog account is required. Otherwise, you cannot make any blogs. Need a web browser and internet connections. These are basic needs to create a blogs. Then steps to involve to create a blogs. First of all, open your web browser, then type https signup.wordpress.com /signup on address bar. You will get page with the field blog address, username, password, email, address and language. Fill this all entries. Fill all these details as per instruction. And last one step is click on the button create blogs. You will be sent an email to activating your blog accounts. Then you open your email and click activation links. After clicking activation link, you will see like this page. And next topic is posting contents. After creating a blog account, you can submit contents that you want. Whatever you want to post, you can write it with help of your accounts. How to create or post a blogs in WordPress? Simply you will click on new post. You can click on new post. Whenever you click on new post, there will appear a window like this. To publish your contents, click publish post. Whatever message, whatever you want to write here, you can write here and then can simply click on this button publish post. You can add photos, videos, etc. to blogs using the options available in WordPress. You can comment on posts published by others. Usually the comments option is available toward the end of post. You can respond. You can respond anyone's blogs with the help of your accounts and respond can see your comments. Look for options such as leave a comments, leave a reply, etc. in blogs to comment. For example, in WordPress, the comment box is located below the post and labeled as leave a reply. Look like this. Leave a reply. You can write your reply here. Then after you will fill your details, email, name and website and post format. In this session there are two activities you can learn to create and work with blogs using WordPress. Now create and work with other blogs websites such as Blogger or Weebly. These will be lab activity or you can do the activity from anywhere. And second one activity is create blogs for announcing school annual day function, blood donation camp. Similarly like this, you can create your own blogs. Okay, students. In this, now we'll discuss about offline blog editors. To create offline blogs, there are some applications. You can publish blog whenever you are online. There are several free offline blogs editor available that can be download and install on your local computer such as Commands, Windows Live Writers, Blockdex, etc. With the help of these, these blog editors, you can create blogs offline and whenever you are online, you can post that blogs. Download or install Qmons. In this session, we will see how to download and install Qmons. Qmons is free blogs application that is simple and easy to use. Need an existing blog account. It is compulsory. Everyone's everyone should have offline blogs if he want to post their blogs. So your account should be exist. Your existing WordPress account with use your existing WordPress account with Qmons. Posts are readily available in your blogs. Qmons will be downloads and display the existing blogs as well. Launching Qmon. Simply click on start button, then program, then we will see Qmon software. and you can click on these icons with the help of these icons, or simply other one other one way to launching a command is double click on the commands icons on the desktop, enter your WordPress blog address and click next. You will look this type screen on your system. A login window will be appears. Provide details of your WordPress accounts. Enter the username and password of the WordPress account. Click next and finally press the button finish. The window will appear as shown in the figure. Look like this. If posts are already available in your blogs, command will be download and display the existing blogs as well. To create a post offline, click new post. A window will appear like this and click publish post. Once you click publish post, the post will be get automatically updated to your WordPress blogs. You can include photos and pictures in your blogs. You will you will upload photos, pictures simply on clicking on the image icon. Image icon will be look like this. Click browse to locate the image. Choose the image and click on upload and insert. And finally we will click on publish post. Your blog will be posted online if you are online. So the activity for this session is download and use the different offline blog editors and try it. First of all, create offline blogs, and then whenever you online, you can upload your blogs. And last session about the online transaction. All of you are well familiar with online transaction. All of you know what is a transaction. Transaction means you can transfer money, you can purchase anything. As usually we use Paytm, Amazon. Lot of websites are available which provides the commercial activities. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customer can buy or sell goods over the internet. Customer need to have an active internet connection for viewing goods and services offered by a seller. Customer can pay online using a credit card, debit card, or by internet banking, Beam apps, Google Pay, etc. Some websites even allow code cash on delivery, where the user can pay once they receive the product or services. These are examples of online transactions. A customer does not have sufficient time to visit stores can be benefited from online shopping. Online shopping useful for that person are so much busy in their daily life. You can simply place your orders online and can get this orders at home. Sometimes there are visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. In that condition, you can also purchase. online. Sometimes there are some products or services that are not available in our local area. In that case, it is also very useful. And most and important advantage is 24 by 7. We can order anytime, anywhere with the help of online shopping. These are about the online transaction. Some of, pop, some of the popular online transaction websites are IRCTC that allow us to booking flights and train tickets, Flipkart's an online shopping portal for buying consumer products, eBay an online portal that buying and selling goods, Redbus an online portal for booking a bus tickets. Activity for this session is register with jungly.com, yatra.com and practice online transaction. Thank you.